All right, so you're planning your next getaway. You're going to, I don't know, you're going to France, you're going to Mexico, you're going to the Bahamas. Who knows? Wherever you're going, you might need to use your debit card. Well, instead of calling us or coming to one of our branches, did you know you can set a travel notification right from the app? Here's how you do it. You're gonna tap Menu, you'll select Documents and Settings, you're gonna tap Manage Cards, you're gonna tap that little arrow next to the card that you'll be using, and then right there, it's underneath the security heading, you're gonna tap Travel Notification. From there, you will just type out the locations you're going. For me, let's say I'm going to Brazil. I'm just gonna type out that I'm going to Brazil. Next, I'm gonna tap Begin Travel Date, and I'm gonna select the date I'll be leaving. After that, I'll be selecting End Travel Date, and I'll select the date I'll be coming back. And after that, I simply hit that green Submit Travel Notification button at the bottom, and I am good to go.